I want to go across now for Haryana with 90 seats. My colleague Kamaljeet Sandhu has had a conversation with Dipinder Hooda. Let's listen into that.
घोषणा हुई है, किस तरह से देखते हैं एक चरण में चुनाव होगा?
हाँ, चुनाव है, कांग्रेस पार्टी तैयार है, अध्यक्ष जी हमारे वो हैं, पूरी एप्लीकेशन भी मांग ली उम्मीदवारों की, सब शॉर्टलिस्ट हो गया, अब स्क्रीनिंग कमेटी की मीटिंग होगी, उम्मीदवारों का चयन होगा और जहां तक हरियाणा के लोगों का वो तैयार है, 36 बरादरी फैसला कर चुके हैं कि आने वाली सरकार कांग्रेस पार्टी की सरकार।
10 साल आप लोग बाहर रहे हैं, इस बार क्या तैयारी है और खासतौर से नायब सिंह सैनी एक नया चेहरा है, भूपेंद्र हुड्डा जो कि अपना रिएक्शन दे रहे थे और अब देख सकते हैं कि किस तरह से यहाँ पर भीड़ है इस वक्त। कैमरा पर्सन चांदीराम के साथ कमलजीत संधू, चंडीगढ़।
Preeti, a lot has changed in Haryana as well, specifically when it comes to alliances, RLD with the BJP now. How crucial do you think will be the equations this time for the state of Haryana?
Pooja, it's a little different because the RLD is a player in the state of Uttar Pradesh and not in Haryana. So where Haryana is concerned, the political ball game of Haryana is very, very different. The topography, the map right now, because you had Mr. Khattar, who was the chief minister for 2 successive terms, and then he was changed by Naib Singh Saini just about a month ago. And the reason that change happened was primarily, of course, it wasn't said openly, but many understood, came at the back of this massive farm unrest, and especially the kind of unrest we'd seen on the GT Karnal road. And that was the area which they thought to effect a change. Now, politically, Haryana is a very, very interesting, election. And why I say that is also, which will play a factor now, many suggest would be what went down in the Olympics, where Vinesh Phogat. Will Vinesh Phogat also be an election issue? That remains to be seen. But, the battle lines are drawn. Now, I'll tell you how things have changed in the state of Haryana. Haryana was one state because 10 seats from Haryana in Lok Sabha went to polls. Out of those 10 seats, it was even keel, like 5 each between the BJP and the Congress. The Congress made a huge comeback in the state of Haryana in Lok Sabha elections. The Congress would like to bolster that. How, things have changed in terms of caste dynamics. For the first time, in Lok Sabha, we have seen a caste combination or social engineering of sorts emerge in Haryana, where the Dalits have voted alongside the Jats. This had never happened since 80s, since the time of Devi Lal. If the Congress can keep this caste alliance together, which is the Dalits voting with the Jats, then the Congress is going to definitely be on the front foot. The BJP will, of course, and try and do what it can, to take away that Dalit vote away this time around. And alliances have changed dramatically as well, because the last time around, the JJP fought the election on its own. It got enough. Go ahead. You wanted to come in.
That's right. So Kamaljeet Sandhu, who spoke to former Chief Minister Bhupinder Singh Hooda, is joining me right now. Kamaljeet, and also from Jammu and Kashmir, Mir Farid from Srinagar, Sunilji Bhatt from Jammu. So while the focus, remember, will be Jammu and Kashmir, specifically for the sort of changes, sort of decisions we have seen in the past 5 to 6 years. Kamaljeet, but first I'll come to you because you spoke to Bhupinder Hooda. He's keeping it crisp, but it's already going to be an election season heating up. What are you looking at the situation on the ground in Haryana, specifically with regard to alliances and equations?
Even before the dust of Lok Sabha polls could be actually settled, they were already gunning for the assembly polls. And remember, just 6 months before this a whole lot of changes took place. One, there was a divorce between JJP and the BJP. Then thereafter, we also saw a change of face, a change of guard. Naib Singh Saini took over and Manohar Lal Khattar went to the center. So there have been a lot of changes. It's going to be very tough for the BJP. There's already anti-incumbency. There's been a huge farmer protest. There's also been obviously a non-charge consolidation which they were looking at. But at this point of time, is the JJP divorce going to really help them out, because they believe that there would be a breakdown of votes as far as Jats is concerned, some of it going to Congress, the other to the JJP. And thereafter, the Congress has its own set of troubles. Now, Bhupinder Singh Hooda's house, where we are at, and in a short while from now, he will be addressing a press conference. What is also important and significant is, can the Congress come out together? Now, Kiran Chaudhary has already walked out of Congress to the BJP, saying there's not democracy, and obviously the voices are being scuffled. Then there is also the SRK camp. There is There is Randeep Surjewala, who's not been so very active right now. Then there is also Kumari Shalja. So the Congress has already started its Padal Yatra. They're doing that in different places, but they're not doing it all together. Now, will Rahul Gandhi, the Congress president, be able to bring Congress together and have a consolidated vote, which is what they're looking at? Now, in Lok Sabha, where Congress was expected to do extremely well, even there was an even keel, and then what we say is 19-20 ka hisab tha, with 5 seats going to the BJP and 5 seats going to the Congress party. Is going to be very, very tough. And eating into that share are going to be INLD and the JJP. Then there is also the Aam Aadmi Party. Remember, they were only contesting from 1 seat out of the 10 in Lok Sabha. But at this point of time, they may not be a very strong party. But remember, there could be possible division of votes right here in Haryana.